Shalom, family. A few days ago, the Most High put it on my Ruach to write down Galatians 5:19 through 26 and put it on my little pegboard. And initially I thought it was just for me, but I've been kind of feeling in my Ruach that I probably should share this, so that's what I'm going to do today. Now, as I go through the reading, I inserted some synonyms and definitions here and there because I wanted just a more clear understanding of what some of the words mean for my own self. These are the things that I'm working to achieve. I'm not coming from, I got this all together and you don't need to do it, but this is what I'm working on and just trying to keep at the forefront of my mind during this perilous time. Now, the works of the flesh are manifest, which means obvious. Which are these? Adultery, fornication, which is all sexual immorality, uncleanliness, lasciviousness. I'm not very good saying that word, so excuse me. Which is debauchery, wanton, lewd, crude, offensive type of behaviors. Idolatry, witchcraft, hatred, variance, which is discord, arguments, being flip-floppy or inconsistent. Emulation, which is an effort to match or surpass a person or achievements. Jealousy, wrath, rage, strife, rivalries. Sedition, which is conduct or speech causing people to rebel against authority or against the order, or insubordination, treason, mutiny, defiance, disobedience, uprising, revolt, revolution. Heresy, which is belief contrary to the word, blasphemy, dissent, atheism, divergence, infidelity, error, or disbelief. Envying, which is hatred, ill will, malice, resentment, or grudging. Murder, drunkenness. Reveling, which is enjoying oneself in a lively and noisy way, especially with drinking and dancing, or gloating, indulging, or luxuriating, and such like, of which I tell you before, as I have told you in times past, they that which do such things shall not inherit the kingdom of Yah. But the fruits of the Ruach is love, joy, which is great happiness, satisfaction, comfort, wonder, peace, which is agreement, reconciliation, unity, harmony, or accord, patience, which is long-suffering, gentleness, which is intentional mildness, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, which is belief, meekness, which is humility, modesty, docility, and timidness, temperance, which is self-control, discretion, abstinence, moderation, sacrifice, restraint, reasonableness, prudence, soberness, and self-denial. Against such there is no law put in place. Those who belong to Yahushua HaMashiach have crucified passions, affections, and desires, which are lust. And if we live in the Ruach, let us also walk in the Ruach. Let us not be desirous of vainglory, which is being conceited or egotistical, arrogant, cocky, full of gall, loudmouth, puffed up, or self-important, provoking one another, which is vexing or distressing or disturbing or tormenting one another, and envying one another. And I just share all these. I share this scripture, like I said, because it's been something that I want to keep in the forefront of my mind as all of these emotions well up when we see what's going on in the world, what's going on in our communities, what's going on in our homes. we have to be mindful that we can't let these things get us off of our track or out of our element. And so let's focus on trying to walk in the Ruach if we live in the Ruach. I just want to share that. Shalom, family.